Yo, what is up? It's the Cosmic here.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Yo, what's up? It's the Cosmic. I am giving y'all my watch list for tomorrow, July 10th, 2020. And to start it off, we have IDEX. IDEX, it's going through lawsuit battle right now, and it's sitting pretty down, pretty red on the day. It looks like it has some more downside potential. What brought this upon my attention is some unusual call option activity. They wanted had a bullish call sweep. At strike price of 2 with an expiration date of 43 days from now. I can see this still going down. It's gapped up and it needs to come and fill this gap, at least back down to here. So honestly, this looks like an ideal short for me. We'll go to Mark next, M-A-R-K. They're just continuously dying after their conference call. That's what you get whenever you are bad at reassuring your investors, honestly. So I can see this hitting 150 tomorrow easy. It's gapped down. I mean, I would be scared shorting on a Friday. It does have a gap to fill on the upside. If we go here to the 5-day, you can see this is still overextended on the downside. That's what I see. 4 straight days of death. But still, I don't think a whole lot of investors are happy with it right now. And we can see if it can come up and fill this gap back to 2. I'm still holding a bullish option call for $3 for August 21st. But at the same time, short term, it'd be hard for me to go ahead and buy in on this. I want to see some price action to move it back up. If it can break 180, then I might go ahead and put a call option in with a bullish sentiment. But right now, it's looking a very, very bearish stock. Very, very bearish. XBAR next. XBAR, I have this on just for the reason of it has been spiking crazy recently, but not really holding those spikes. But we are waiting. I am waiting for the numbers in the pilot report to come out on their numbers. So this may not be a play tomorrow, but I am still keeping a close eye on it and listening for the news. Next is HTZ. HTZ actually didn't do terrible today. They had a nice little spike here. We'll go to the 1-day. Low of 139, high of 159. This is also up on my radar just because we have some call sweeps, one at $1 and one at $1.50. $1.50 sounds reasonable, and that seems like something that I would be interested in doing. Next is GLUU. This one is interesting. This one popped up on my radar because of the unusual options activity. And the unusual options activity happened around 9:30ish, almost 10. And then this thing just went. It spiked $1, but I mean, the potential for making a whole lot of money is there. And I don't think that this is the last day on its run. I think it can continue. It can still go. Even after they announced at 3:05 that they're going to release their second quarter financial results. So we can see. But you can see right here. Look at all that. That's unusual option activity right here. Near the ask. So they wanted the stock. Same with this one. One's at 11, one's at 10. I'm thinking about taking an 11-1 tomorrow. CMCM also on my radar just because of unusual options activity. Ooh, what is going on here? and it's up. It's on its a 2-day run. It's went up almost to $3, $2.96 there. I see the option activity for $3. I would not chase it up to $3. If anything, I would probably put that option I would possibly wait to see if it holds this 230 level, this 219 level. If it starts to break down, then I'll probably put a put sweep down here at 2. It all depends on the price action. It's just like well, I know I've been talking about trading options, but honestly, option stocks, same difference. They all work on the same principle of price action. If you're going to go up, you can make more money on the option betting that it's going to go up and hit a certain price than just holding the stock and going up, it's 10-15% run. So with that being said, I want everybody to be safe, be careful, go out through the life being careful. Tomorrow I will be doing live trading at 4 a.m. trading. That's whenever I'm going to start doing my stock trades, my actual stock trades, because what I found is with pairing with Benzinga and 4 a.m. trading, I'm going to be using WeBull, which I will put a link down in the description. You sign up, open an account, get a free stock, and deposit $100, get another free stock. Free money. So I do feel like I can make more money in the off of actual stocks in the 4 a.m. because 4 a.m. spikers are absolutely insane. I mean, you can see it. This is a 4 a.m. spiker. It went from $1.48 to almost $3 in the AM pre-market. So that's what I'll be looking for. That's what I'll be doing. That's going to be my trading style. Right now, I'm going to be trading my day trades in the morning, my 4 a.m. plays, be done by 5, take a nap, wake up before market opens, and trade options like I'm trading stocks. Try to catch the news first, get in on the news, and just run with the options with the ones that I can get. So all that being said, thank you so much for watching, fam. Your support and your continued support, really, 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 really appreciate it. And lastly, this is all my opinion. This is all my speculation. So if you don't like what I said about a stock that you're married to, go suck it up.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.